How to check TikTok watch history. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can check your TikTok watch history. For this, launch open the TikTok application and sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you can simply create one. Now, if you want to check out your watch history, which means to check out all the videos that you have watched on TikTok, then all you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Here you want to scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Now you have different options here. Tap on the first one, which is Watch History. Once you tap on this option, all the videos that you have watched on TikTok will be visible here. You can also sort this by tapping on Filter by Date option. Then you can tap on any specific time or date. You can select yesterday and view all the videos you watched yesterday, or select last month and view the videos that you watched last month. Simply select the date and tap on the Apply option. Now, not only the watch history, if you head back, you can also view comment history, search history, mention history, account history, and recently deleted post as well. So you can explore this setting to view different histories from here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.